Hi everyone, it's Ars from Ankara. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a jig, dovetail jig, which is CDJ300. You're going to need two cutters. One is straight cutter 6mm, and then you're going to need dovetail cutter, which is 12.7 104 degree cutter. So you're going to need jig, which is obviously fixed to the surface, as you can see here. You can fix it here. I've done 2 screws. You can have 4 screws. You're gonna need ideally two routers if you got loads to do, which we have in our case. So I'm using 2 palm routers with bushes. The guide bush on this is 15.8 by 6mm, but that's for Makita. And then I've got this uni base with the same bush here, which fits various routers, so I can use them one after another. So basically, with the dovetails we're doing today, which is just a normal join, you need to set your dovetail router at 17mm, and then what I've done on the straight cutter, because that's what you use first, just to pre-score and clean out the majority of wood on your dovetails. So I use this in 3 settings. One is 7mm, then I will go down to 12, and then to the 16, and the last cut I'll leave for the dovetail cutter itself. So you need to fix in for the left hand. This is, by the way, this will be left hand side of the drawer, and that will be right hand side of the drawer. And here you got 2 pins. One is for your top, there says the top, and that is for your side of the drawer. So you get your bits. So I'll place in here a jig. So you want to make sure that it sits against that pin here, because that's your stop. Then you put your side in, like so, and the side wants to be flush with the top. Also, you want to check this here. See, there's a gap, so you want it to be flush against it, so it's square, like so. Oh, let me do that, like so. So the first 3 cuts I'll make with this, which will clean most of the wood away, and then the last final cut will be with the dovetail cutter itself. So this is how it looks after it's been done with the straight cutter. So it takes the excess. The next is the dovetail cutter. And that's the finish. This needs clamping up a little bit because there's a bow and a timber, but you can see what finish you can get. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll catch up in the next video.